still been in the uptrend since February 15, great trade 1, great trade 2, February 15, February 16. We've been in the uptrend since February 15th, 2022. February 14th. Valentine's week. This whole week we've been in an uptrend. We have to really put everything together from February 15, 2022 at Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2, February 16, Great Trade 3 and Great Trade 4. We've been in an uptrend. Price was just retesting back down. And, we thought price was potentially going back down, to 27 extension, but it wasn't. It was just retesting. Look at the overall direction. This is February 15. This is where we got in at Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2, Great Trade 3 and Great Trade 4. We've been in an uptrend ever since. Price went all the way up to take profit 10. We've been in an uptrend ever since, gang. Extremely important. I just wanted to show you that, as price wasn't going to 27 extension. It was just retesting back down. It was not going back to take profit 7 this week. Not from Great Trade 1, Great Trade 2, Great Trade 3, and Great Trade 4. We've been in an uptrend ever since. We should have just waited for price to retest back down, to from 1895 all the way down to 1886, and then you could have rolled this for another buy. You could have gotten for another buy, at 1886 and rolled this all the way back up to 1897. As the market is closed now on Friday. As the market is closed now on Friday, and you could have sold that down. That where I showed you at and stuff. That was a good sell. We made a couple hundred right there. Couple thousand. Could have made a couple 100,000 easily from 1895 to 1887. But look at the overall direction from February 15th, all the way up to this week, February 18th, 2022. We've been in an uptrend this whole time. So, I just wanted to show you that game, and then once price made a higher low back down to 1886, then we could have gotten for a buy, another buy, trade buy. We could have gotten for a trade buy, and sold this and rolled this all the way back up for a buy. Once price made this low at 1887 and rolled this all the way back up to 1900. And depending on your lot size, could have easily been a couple hundred, a couple thousand, 20 grand, 30 grand, depending on your lot size. So I just wanted to go over that one more time. We still are in the uptrend. We've been in the uptrend since February 15th. This was the swing trade you were trying to swing trade from February 15th all the way up to February the 18th, 2022. And now the market is closed, gang. Now the market is closed. So I just wanted to let you know that, gang. Price did go all the way back up to, price is still in the uptrend from take profit 6 to take profit 10. It went up 4 take profit levels, and we won't see gold probably go down, and go and head back down until next week. Starting February 20th, Sunday, February 20th, 2022. That's when we'll see probably gold head back down. But this week, gold was not heading back down, gang. I just wanted to keep you updated on that. Like, gold was not heading back down this week, and we thought gold was heading back down, and it wasn't. Gang, price was not heading back down this week. So this is extremely important for your psychology. As you know, gold is still in an uptrend. Gold has still been in we still are in an uptrend. I just wanted to let you know that. I just want to let you know that, gang. We're still in an uptrend from take profit 6 to take profit 10. So a lot of factors come up when you're in a live trade. As I thought gold was going down, and I realized that we're still in an uptrend from take profit 6 from February 15th all the way up to February 18th, 2022. Sticking to our trading strategy works. This is where we make the most money at. You could potentially lose money right here if you were trying to swing trade this and you thought, oh, price is going lower and lower and lower, and it was just retracing from 1895 all the way down to 1886. So we have to adjust to the market, because any situation can happen. And in this situation, you know, we thought price was heading down, and we realized price was heading up. We got out the trade. You know, luckily we got out the trade, but we have to look at the overall direction. That's why we have to, you know, look at the overall direction on the 1 hour. You know, as the 15 can be, you know, confusing sometimes. You know, we have to look at the market for what it's showing us, and not what we're just going off what we think the market is doing, because sometimes what we think the market is doing is not what the market is doing. You know, it's not what the market is doing, and we can get stopped out like that and lose a lot of money potentially. You know, we can lose a lot of money potentially because we're going off of what we think the market is doing instead of reacting to what the market is showing us. You know, the market is showing us that we've been in an uptrend since Take Profit 6, since Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2, Great Trade 3 and Great Trade 4. We've been in an uptrend since, you know, February 15, 2022. You know, we've been in an uptrend ever since. But we have to react to what the market is showing us. We just can't get in this trade because we see price, you know, we see price going down and we see black candlesticks and try to sell this back down. No, we have to look at the market and see what the market is showing us. So, you know, a lot of factors come in when we're actually trading in a live trade. You know, and I just wanted to show you this again, as you could have lost money thinking that price was selling back down. Take profit 9, take profit 8, February 18th, 2022. And, you know, price was just retracing and then heading back in the overall direction, which is an uptrend. So, you know, this is for your psychology, you know, to keep your mind clear, and, you know, on perspectives, and, different perspectives of what the market can do. I'm just trying to show you different perspectives. You know, as you know, this market can bring up stress, you know, and, you know, make you and cloud your decision making and cloud your judgment. So, you know, price was still in the uptrend from Great Trade 1, Great Trade 2, from Take Profit 6 all the way up to Take Profit 10. It was just retesting during London session, and then New York session, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. It picked back up all the way up to Take Profit 10, 1900. All right, gang. So I just wanted to say that again, you know, and I'll keep y'all updated with what gold is doing. As you know, being impulsive can happen in this market where you're making impulsive decisions because you just see black candlesticks. You have to look at the overall direction. We've been in the trade since Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2 since 1844 all the way up to 1900. We've been in an uptrend, you know. So a lot of factors come in when you're actually trading, you know, as you can lose money, you know, and I want you to make money. So I had to tell you this, gang. You know, I had to show you that, you know, price is was heading back up. You know, been in the uptrend since Take Profit 6, you know, and gold was heading back up. It wasn't heading back down, you know. So I hope these videos help, gang, and I'll be dropping a lot of more videos for your psychology. All right, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.